If me and you there, you say me say to you, say to me, say my mouth stink, or me say to your mouth stink, yeah? Ooh, every blood clot body, everybody have to catch night fever sometime at some point of time. Night fever is natural, innit? So for soon make a story on a platform over it, out of it, and say, me, I wear something named STD, I'm a stink. It is disrespectful in this. This is an indirectful, disrespectful message. As I said, the moment I see a message like that, I would take that message being me, Queenie, as a mom, as a woman, as a wife, and as someone with involved with the person. We're involved with the person. You know when you have a bump on your mouth, when you get one bump on your mouth, them say it come from stress or ulcer. Do we soon come back though, Queenie? You have that padlock. But maybe look like my friend, but do look like him care about me? Do not go nowhere? Do is rude and disrespectful? Do is still right here? That's not the point. I am pointing out something here. Now stop telling me what you think. Herpes. All right. Them says a farmer herpes is somebody who have sense there. Cold sore. Yes. As something where many people catch, not every people, but it's natural however it goes. Whether herpes, merpes, or whatever. But now I nobody may attack. So if you say, me say a message like this, with all said and done, I me stand up and cuss and ball and say, it's rude and disrespectful and out of order. So say, I know me, say, all right, may I fool myself. And that's how you are. Oh, you asked me for my husband. I don't want to talk about him. Talk about what I asked me about. So may I avoid you in it. Anyway, sexual health disease coming many ways from your sex in it. So if me there here by myself and not sex and me a blood clot herpes. Where's something like STD? Is who give me STD? Make me have a reason now. So if I'm not gonna write say my husband say me stink and me have STD. Him who I write it no make no sense because I must give you give me STD. Yeah, STD in it. Yeah. So I'm saying if me there you say I have STD and you gonna write say, remember you know, how you for say man mouth stink, how you for ta class man bout it stink. Right? Calm down, Queenie. How you for a class man mouth bout it stink. So if me tell you something, your mouth stink. Remember, me not come on social media, I go tell you that. If you smell my pussy of a husband, you're supposed to tell me. If you smell my mouth, you're supposed to tell me. If you smell my arm, you must supposed to tell me. Mark me wrong or right in it. So how you gonna write this now? How you for class, man? Both mouth stink. You still want to kiss me. Me never have night fever. So out of Titanic we crash, we sink. So Titanic sink. The plane crash. The bus turn over. But you talk about the bucket of water we spill on the ground. So you pass the Titanic we sink, the plane we crash, and the fucking bus we turn over. But you address the fucking water we dash way. So if me tell you say your mouth stink as your fucking wife, and you say no girl never tell you say your mouth stink. And me say the girl no want tell you say your mouth stink. I smell your mouth more than one time and I told you from before you married when you wake up man into your mouth stink. Me no care thinking mouth. No matter where. No matter how I wake and I brush my teeth, my mouth no stink, it might be sour. So listen to me now, may I read the tone now. It's out of always said and done and may I defend Dewey and I take up for Dewey. And then I say I'm a husband or whatever. Yes, when them send me this yesterday, I read it, I know say I mean, but I say it's not me. Because it's an indirect message. In it. So by saying that indirect message, it is disrespectful. So you look on it in twice, in two different ways or three different ways. So as a young man, I'm married to a queen where me never catch night fever from a barn. So I'm out of the problem. In every aspect of this, it is immature, disrespectful, all of the fucking words. Then when I tell me, say, Queenie, come adjust this and come adjust that. One of the things if you sit down and rejoice about people don't fall, yeah? And rejoice about people don't fall, and then husband I tell me, say, I love internet, but you come and you write things like this and expect me not to love the internet. So you look excuse for your action for what you do. Before you judge your action, humble your little dirty blood clot self and go hide. Yeah, come tell people some have STD. It's rather out of order. And it's rather disturbing and disgusting. So as the proud woman that I am, everything done that should just me a talk, what the fuck gonna feel like? Unless a nursing pan, what do it soon come back and do. I don't give a fuck what do we want to do with him soon come back kissing our blood clot. Do we need to curve himself and understand him blood clot self and that may I try telling her. It's not that me not understand myself, I do understand myself. But because I make a vow and I believe in my vow and a person to my word, me just say, Ray, blah, blah. So when an aunt me, time I go run out, one thing me know, stay in a nothing long. Yeah, time I go run out. Do it, are you time I go run out, pan? Not me. I plan me with the advice of them who are send you go station, who go station send police go my yard. Una cook me up and there is a God. And me never swear for you yet, because it's a little liar. But it's because I am a husband. No matter what, me have to take a shame and turn up with you. And if somebody else turn up for you, get up and write that. Oh, fucking dare you. You get up and write that and I go like, you know what you do like you idiot. It's around there premeditate me. And it's rather nasty and scary. It is fucking scary. So I'm not telling my boy if do we go on a blood clot again. Anyway, do we want to go, I'm going, man. You understand me? It's not my choice. I'm not responsible to do it. I'm a husband. It is nasty and it'll get nasty and nastier. So really when me hear now, me and I laugh after me all over again. I'm not tired. Because I am, I'm so tired of all this bullshit that I'm so tired of this bullshit that it's like my freeze. You rewind one thing all over again, 10 to 50 different blood clot time and it still remain the same. Don't leave me alone, man, and come stream a song. You understand? You know, guy know if me have what's it name? STD. I feel it for myself too. Then you must feel it. I feel it if you have a fucking conscience, you gotta feel it. But it's life. And people is going through worse and the same thing. My husband is rude and out of he does not understand himself. He's very immature, selfish, all of the words them. But as I say, I still my husband and I not make nobody abuse him. So nothing say me I idiot because I come and defend him. No, my husband, I have to defend him same way. I respect my marriage no matter what. Me not look pan do do is alright. He is alright. Me downstairs in a Russian room and you upstairs I put up this alright shit about me. Indirect shit. Eh? And you feel good as a man? And then you're going to say me awful and terrible? You make your friend them type when you did go in. And class, man, tell me move my blood clot, all of what them do. And you come back now, come and go tell me. Does this make sense for you, right, really? Oh, you for class, man mouth, both stink. But class anything when I want blood clot, class, you say. I never come for internet, come tell you that. So are you for shaming your fucking self as a husband, your wife tell you say you must think. And you feel so good in yourself, you know go so? It's natural. It's not everybody have my mouth. Him don't want to do no better. Do want me run behind him and wall and I run mud like him see me do and constantly laugh and have him head in a 10 basket. So I go and test the water with me if you see well. Dewey's alright, you know. I don't make a pledge before Dewey come here. I say God I want him to come. Because he's married to me, I want him to come comfort me. But him comfort everybody else and refuse me. So the more I refuse me, the more I try. Dewey alright, come back to me. Not a sense no making a none of this. No sense no making that. And enough time the reason why no found no 15% out of 100 is because he does not communicate, and he said he will never communicate. Him wrong and strong and mighty. I can't tell me what to talk about. I should I tell him, go stop type them, say my pussy stink. No, I'm a pussy, him should have said stink, not my mouth, or that me say. Him should have said my pussy stink, not my mouth, because him can't stinking cocky come. You understand? And that if you talk about. So how the fuck if you come declare about mouth we stink where as something private and personal, me say to you as a wife. Or if you come back, come write that pan status and you know adjust kissing up the girl, you know, adjust that. You know, go ahead and tell me not talk about no my mouth always fresh, me telling you. But it's not even about that. You know, some people when them hungry. Like if Dewey vex, Dewey won't eat for 24 hours. That is when you're going to get thinking mouth. And it's true. Me, if I not eat for 3 days, my mouth just smell the same. So for me tell you something like that and a husband, you gotta come write it on status. What man are you? What are you? What creature are you? Who me sleep with or who me married to or who me there a defend and stand up for? I don't understand. He's so fucking in himself that no matter when nobody call him, no matter how much somebody counsel him, me have to say, I don't know if it's a spell this or it's natural. So much people show you so much love no matter what you do, them stand by you. And you're right to me say, me want to kiss you, your mouth stink. All on your mouth, blood clot stink, me kiss you because you're my husband. That isn't the point. Kissing isn't the point of the argument. The point of the argument from there, Jamaica. I'm say to you, say, your mouth smell. You know much months blood clot that era had. You're dangerous. You will kill blood clot people. I'm going to repeat it. I'm going to repeat it back to you when I see the video. Obviously, you know, them say, see me believing in it. So me hear about the video from long time and him tell me, right? Then him talk about the video. But where my husband went wrong, he mislead me. Now if something I go bad and somebody I blackmail you, I you don't know if you deal with the situation, I say I come clean to your wife. Listen, you know why I'm a defend it? Them I say I cuss the girl. Me not cuss the girl, I put her in her place and tell her about herself, innit? Yeah? So, me having on my phone where the girl texts, I say, she gonna send the video to do with wife if doing an answer on phone or if do it don't come in it. Remember, I just text me, I've been seen a video. She said she gonna send the video. Wait, I'm a husband, go and leave me alone and don't stop trouble. But I'm a husband, man. I still love my husband. I just step on a defense now, and that's the God Almighty truth. So when she said she gonna send it something to the wife, this is when I say my cuss girl, me not cuss girl, you know. And my husband is to blame for everything. Likewise, me take a blame for something. But listen, I'm not confuse me, listen. So I have the text, I said, do what kind of video? Is it an inappropriate video? I said, no. It's stand up on the girl that behind it in my video. I said, sure. That proves social media Ariana there to spot it no matter. Right? When me get the video now. and see the kiss up neck and see him on the phone and smile and I see the piss taking. Me I say this come like the two of them plan me like him tell her I say yes man me I go use the and Queenie. Cause that's how it looks to me. But then the fact that him not break it down when me ask him any question about it, him fly raise up on me. You can't be wrong and strong, my dad. You understand? You can't be wrong and strong. Nobody not perfect, but dignity and principle. You got you the wrong humble. You go fly back to me, no crazy. Hey! Remember, you hurt me, seeing is believing in it. So even though you tell me about the video doing and say the girl I blackmail you, I say the text. When me actually see it in my I know a different thing in it. I mean, sit down in the car now. I'm going to tell you, call the girl. You call the girl. Be all the video leak out. Me don't know. Me I drive. So me just say, you bomber clot, you watch me, you. I should hang up. Make sure you hear my voice in it. No, do you my husband and anything go wrong with doing, no matter how many I show off or impress as want me to, I'm going to feel it in it. Because I'm that type of person. So my technicality to protect my husband is that because I'm cocky, the fucker wanna talk, or because I have STD, or because I'm morals, quality and dignity. Is my husband in it. So I'm married for better or for worse. So my sister said, him not have no chill and no meds. Yeah, him not have no chill and no med. And him not know how to deal with situation. Me not gonna try make it better. You understand me? Any woman can take the way I whisper and I do it ears and tell do them I give him pitney, them I come feel them want him, them love him enough to take Queenie, him have Queenie too much up and down, everything. No. Me as a big woman now, know where me going now. So when shit hit the fan, me now go just run, get up and just run and say it I go disappear. So me not impressed, no, me just a speak my truth. My husband does not understand himself and he constantly disrespect me indirectly and directly. My mama come over here, come cuss him mother. And make sure I look back into myself and I say, I should have touched woman, Caan, but it happened. Publicly, I stand and be a woman. You forgive, you not forget, I am move on. No, tell her girl, I will tell her the you sit down and all of me look a personal, private something, then you go back, you tell how much in girl and that. When me listen everything, I said, that's to do with it, girl. If you did want to come at Inga and you come here because you want to come at Inga, why you want to destroy me? Why you want to talk all of these blood clotting girl till you set up, get evidence for me for claim domestic violence? The girl put on the big white plaster on your face. Then she must blackmail you. More for the fool. You get a fool, you send them little further. So the way you relax and complacent, you know, look like you have no care in that the video there for me. In it. Me need to leave him alone. Him need to leave blood clot me alone. And that's the difference on and understand. All do it, show off. You don't know when fuck him if him I go left, right, or blood clot center. So me ask on the fucking this now. When you sit down and chat fucking shit about STD, I don't think that is really my problem. I cuss off everybody. In it. Yes, I do. I cuss anybody when I want cuss off. From offend me. So really the more I look into it and I say, through this man, see me still a ball and I go and survive him. Take the piss over again. I mean, I wish you nothing bad. I just I tell you, wake up and smell the fucking coffee. Because you need to wake up. And there's so much more to leak out. So when you're there, if me sure my name enemy, time will tell if I'm my enemy. Then him look like him and I'm so you know not to say I'm an enemy that. Sleeping with the fucking enemy. That's an enemy there. You have people all over blood clot social media, right? Some have what? STD. Yeah. Over, me and your wife, me and I want side chick one cocky cooler or one cocky burner. So if me have STD, alright, so I'm gonna fuck and I hide it and I tell people say me never fuck and I hide it then. So for argument's sake, so I'm not tell a lie for me. But just for argument's sake. You know, so it bought me more than evil, it hurt me more than evil, the girl I'm seeing with. When I process it, can I see the girl, I expect it. You understand? Me need to wake up. I may see it, don't mind, no. Yeah, it's so, but when I look into it, I say, all right, so I have STD then. All right, so my mouth stink then. How you not tell me say my mouth stink, but you go right say my mouth are the problem because you never have night fever yet. Cannot childish immature fucking stupidness that. What you think say your cocky can run the blood clot world? Me and I talk about cocky. You don't think cocky are my problem? Me that woman is very complacent. Do we can't fuck. Do we can't fuck more than no blood clot by the S. Yeah, boy out there will fuck better than blood clot. Do we have a cocky bigger than lick and can. I want to know. When I think for blood clot fuck. Do we make him cocky fool him? Me say, do we? No matter how you have one cocky in your pussy, you see, the moment the cocky come out of your pussy, you not feel about that fuck. So you say, all of the stupidness them what you do, when you have to keep your cocky in my whole blood clot time for trick me. Me tell him, the stupidness them what you do when the cocky come out, you go back normal and remember the stupidness. I have been hearing people saying, I've got me take little boy, this, that, but you have little boy out there will stand firm, have respect. Do you get carried away you last away and then me make you last away? And I'm sick and tired of this fucking annoyingness. You know, communicate. I'm sort of, me never communicate with you. No, it reach me a joke now. When my kids I see to a different level. I see my kid yesterday, my fitness said to me, say, Mommy, is it you say you want to do if you come here, come comfort you? My love, me not pick the wrong one. I right one, I pick a said for go. Yeah? She said, Mommy, Tree said, yeah, I get do for comfort you. I don't interfere. But this is getting beyond the joke. How you for be a husband? And me, my mouth stink then. And you go on internet, go write it, but you know, adjust what you do. All of the disrespect what you do. What? And you need to wake up and come out of your battle because you look like you put yourself in your own battle. You shoot yourself in the foot over again. It's rude and it's bang fucking out and then I walk and screw me. Like me desperate. I'm not desperate. I am not desperate if me single, me happy. If me hurt, me happy. If me stress, me happy. That's just fucking me. Anybody comes my way, I love them. That is just fucking me. If you go and I'm to get love again, I will love again. If I'm not to, I will not to. But the point is, you say me see that take a toll for my kids, it make me, because my opinion, them allow me to do anything I want to do. And when them do, sister, when them do, sister, when them do, sister, this I get out of the top now, them going to come forward. No, before you go hide and rebuild yourself and come back and say, give some strong apology and say, you know what, whatever you want. Say, Queenie, I don't want to be with you, you know. You know what? Because, let me tell you this. The way you're confused, you don't know which girl want you. You have too much girl and that can't be healthy. You have girl America, you have girl Canada, you have girl England, you have girl Tobago, all over. So when you try, wanna try mad me just a try to understand it don't make no sense. You understand me? Me can't jealous over girl pin because me biggest baddest blood clot bitch pan God earth. Me not care about girl looks nor nothing. Age nor nothing. Me care about me. Me just say my husband a destroy himself if I get to him and him not understand what him do. You see, I put them on my page. It's me delete it last time. I see them a customer why I delete it. Because I hurt myself with it. So true, I constantly hurt myself with it. That's a fuck that. Every time I go over there go watch it, I think 10 different million things. So I say, fuck this. Instead of have it a fucking art, me take it off of my page. All that will not come across me over. And I'm so immature and illiterate and all of the fucking ignorant words that you talk about, that you will never show me down. Because it's when reality fucking chicken, all of it woman a target. The man them target with dirty blood clot and them do what them want do. All them say them a compromise with you. They not compromise with you. Them tricky and fool and tell you say, you man know the lion. Then I was so now. You know what?